Hello and welcome students. This is a lecture on permutation and combination. So from the first exercise of permutation combination, that is 3.1, we have done 10 questions and now we are starting with the 11th question. See what does it say. In most of these questions, what are we using students? See, very simple. What are we using? We are using the principle of multiplication. We are using the fundamental principle of counting. We are using, for solving such questions, what are we doing? We are using fundamental principle of counting. Now, in fundamental principle of counting, there are two principles. One is multiplication, the principle of multiplication, And what's the second one? The principle of addition, Okay. When do we use principle of multiplication? In any question, if we come across an idea where we think the word and is being used, okay, across the idea there is a word and being used. So we will use principle of multiplication for counting the total number of ways. And if we are reading a question and across the idea we understand that the word or is being used, we will use the principle of addition. Okay, let's begin now. So here, just to have a continuity, I explained this to you. Now see here, what is the question? The question here is, they say, if the numbers are formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, what digits are being used? The digits which are being used are 2, 3, 4, 5. If we are using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm sorry, 6 is also there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without repetition. Okay, that is, you are making a number without repetition. That is, you will use these digits. You are going to use these digits. Which digits? The digits 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You are going to use these digits, but you will not repeat the digit. That is, you can make a number like 3,400. I'm sorry, you can make 34562. Okay, you can make such a number. See, I'm using these digits to make this number, but you cannot make 34362. No. Why? Because you have repeated repeated 3. That is not allowed. Okay, repetition is not allowed. It is clearly saying without repetition. You can check without repetition. You can check without repetition. Okay, so here students, see, we have to make a number using these digits without repetition. Further, what they say, how many of them will exceed 400? Okay, how many of those numbers will exceed 400? So let's start with the solution here. See, how do I solve question number? I will now start writing the answer. So I will start my solution here. See, I will write my answer as see, I will write my answer as here. I will write the digits to be used are 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, students, in all such questions, what I have asked you, that you have to consider yourself in the center. That is, it is you who is going to do this work. Okay, what is the work? The work is you will use these digits and you have to make a number which is greater than 400. Now see here, to make a number greater than 400, what do you understand? The number can be three-digit number. See, the number has to be greater than 400. That is 400, or it is greater than 400. That is, you have to have number 401 onwards. Okay, so number can be a three-digit number. You see this? Number can be a three-digit number. or a number can be a four-digit number. See, 401 to 999. These all numbers are what? These all numbers are exceeding 400. They have clearly said that using these digits, you have to make numbers. How many of them will be greater than 400? So 400 means a three-digit number. A three-digit number will be 4012 to 999. Then four-digit number, four-digit number will be many four-digit numbers. They all will be greater than 400. Obviously, any four-digit number will be greater than 400. Okay. And then five-digit number, a five-digit number will definitely be greater than 400. So students, for only for that three-digit number, you will have to be slightly careful. Why? Because a three-digit number, see, a three-digit number which you are making, it has to be 401 to 999. A three-digit number cannot, see, if you are making a three-digit number, 345 will not do. Why? Because 345 is not exceeding 400. They are saying that how many of numbers will exceed 400. So 345 is not that number. Okay, let's begin. So now we will start. See here how I go ahead. See, I will do exactly what they are asking me to do. Okay, so see here how I write. I write a number exceeding, that is being more, a number exceeding 400, a number exceeding 400 can be a three-digit number, can be a three-digit number, or a four-digit number, a four-digit number, or a five-digit number. Please understand, or a five-digit number. You got that? So, see, my dear students, a three-digit number, or a four-digit number, or a five-digit number. So, see, between these between these numbers, you have or. So, what does that mean? It means that you will find how many three-digit numbers are more than 400. Then you will find how many four-digit numbers are more than 400. Then you will find how many five-digit numbers are more than 400. And then what you will do, these numbers which you are finding, between them you have or. So you will add them. You will add this plus this plus this, the numbers that you find. Okay, you will add them because you are getting or. Now see, I will show that the first case. What is case one? Case one I write a three-digit number. Case one I write a three-digit number. So here I write a three-digit number. A three-digit number exceeding 400. Exceeding 400. Now see students, if you want a three-digit number which is exceeding 400, first of all, see, you always have to understand the work that you got to do here. What is the work that you got to do? The work that you got to do is this. See here. This is the work that you got to do. A three-digit number. Here you have units place. You see this units place. Then here you have tens place. And here you have hundreds place. You have hundreds place. Hundreds place. Hundred. Okay. Now see here, students. See. A three-digit number exceeding 400. You cannot have, please understand, you have to give priority, right? So first of all, the hundred place, everybody see here. I cannot have two here. I cannot have two. See, a three-digit number, if you have 100 place being filled by 2, it means the number is going to be 200 something, and then it will not satisfy the condition. What condition? That the number formed should be exceeding 400. So what you will do, you cannot have 2 there. You cannot have 2 here. See, you can't have 2 here. You can't have 3 here. You understand? It has to be 4, 5 or 6. It has to be 4, 5 or 6. So I will write, what I will write? I will write the hundreds place can be filled. See students, you will first get that place filled where you got the condition. So the condition is at hundreds place, so you will go for that first. Make this a point. Make this a very important point. Okay. So I go for it. So what do I write? I write here since since the number formed the number formed should be exceeding 400, exceeding 400, therefore 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 the hundreds place can be filled or can be selected by can be selected from can be selected from 4 can be selected from 4 or 5 or 6. That is that is that is in 3 ways. This is 3 ways. 3 ways. Now see students, this has to be selected in 3 ways. But out of these 3 ways, you will select any one way. Okay. After doing that, now you will come for tens place. Okay. And the repetition is not allowed. So what you understand that from these 3, you have already selected one. So you are left with only 2. So 2 here and 2 here, 4. Okay. So you will write, here tens place can be filled or can be selected. Tens place can be selected in and tens place can be selected in 4 ways, and units place can be selected in 3 different ways. So see students, you have selected the hundreds place in 3 ways. Okay, the tens place in 4 ways, and the units place in 3 different ways. So now what? See students, now what? Now what? Very simple. So you will now multiply these. You will multiply them all. You will multiply them all. You see this? What are you going to do? You are going to multiply them all. Why? Because you have to select hundreds place and tens place and units place. Yes, sir. So I will write therefore, therefore, number of 3-digit numbers exceeding 400 is 3 into 4 into 3. 3 into 4 into 3, that is 36. 36 numbers are exceeding 400. Okay. Now see students, here we had slightly we were slightly careful because we had to get a 3-digit number which had to be greater than 400. Now when it comes to when it comes to 4-digit number, you don't have to worry much. Why? Because 4-digit number will obviously greater than 400. 4-digit number means it's in thousands. Got that? And same for 5-digit number that we will do now. So students, now we are going for case 2. And for case 2, what we will write? You can check here. I'll write here case 2. Case 2 is, I'll write here a 4-digit number. A 4-digit number. Now see, when I'm writing a 4-digit number, I'm not mentioning greater than 400. Why? Because a 4-digit number is automatically greater than 400. I just have to see that how will a 4-digit number look like. See students, a 4-digit number will look like this. See in this what you have, in a 4-digit number, remember that you will have units place. See, you will have units place, then you will have tens place, you will have hundreds place, and you will have thousands place. You will have thousands place. Okay. See here, students. I'm not going to write the answer once again in detail. I will just explain you how you are going to do it. See, units place. You just have to write. See, units place. Is there any condition here? No. Absolutely no. Yeah. Only condition is without repetition. Repetition is not. Otherwise, I can start with any place. I can start with thousands place. I can start with units place. That priority is not there. Like here we had the priority. Here we had to start filling in these three places. I had to start filling the hundreds place first. Yes, I had to do this hundreds place filling first. This hundreds place. Why? Because there was a condition here. I had to make sure that I cannot have 2 or 3 here. Yes. So students, here there is no condition, so I can start either way. So see, how do I write? I will write units place. I can fill in how many ways? See, there are 5. There are 5 digits, so this can be filled in 5 ways. Yes. Now, out of 5, you have chosen any one. So for the tens place, you are left with 4 ways. Yes. Then hundreds place, you are left with 3 ways. Yes. And for this, you are left with 2 ways. Yes, 2 ways. Okay. And then what you have in between these ways that you have found out of doing the work, you have and in between them. So what you will write? You will write therefore, the total number of ways. Therefore, number of 4-digit, number of 4-digit numbers, okay, made from given digits will be how much? 5 into 4 and 3 into 2. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. That is equal to 120. You can check. This is 120. Okay. And then you have, see students, this I wrote in shortcut. You can write, you will write up, you don't write please like this. Okay. Don't write like this. What you will do, you will make a statement. You may not make 4 different statements. You write the units place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place can be selected in 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, and 2 ways, respectively. Write like this. Okay? You can write in one statement. You can write, since the repetition of digits is not allowed, therefore, the units place, comma, tens place, comma, hundreds place, and thousands place can be selected in 5 ways, comma, 4 ways, comma, 3 ways, and 2 ways, respectively. And then after that, you write this part, 120 you got. Students, after this, we have got case 3. Okay, case 3. Why case 3? Because there are 5 digits and they have simply said, using these digits, you have to make a number. So, if using these digits the numbers have to be made, it can be even 5. So, here I go for the last case. Okay, I go for the last case here. That is case 3. So see students, I write the case 3 here. I will use another background. See, I write case 3. What do I write? A 5-digit number. A 5-digit number. Okay. So students, how is a 5-digit number formed? How is a 5-digit number formed? You all know a 5-digit number will be, okay, like this. What do you have there? Very simple. In a 5-digit number, we will have units place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, and this is 10,000 place. 10,000 place. This is what I will. Okay. So what I will have now, students, see, once again, very simple. It's gonna be, I'll write here, see, once again. There is no priority as such. You can start with any place. So here you will write, the units place can be filled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ways. Oh, this is not visible. I'll use another color. See, units place can be filled in 5 ways. Now, since the repetition is not allowed, out of 5 ways, I have used any one way. So for the tens place, I am left only with, for the tens place, my dear students, I am left only with 4 ways. For hundreds place, it is only 3 ways. For thousands place, it is 2 ways. And for 10,000 place, it is just 1 way. Okay. So what's the final answer? You will write therefore, you will write here, therefore, yeah, number of 5-digit numbers formed using the given digits are, once again, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Why multiplied? You know, because I am choosing units place and I'm using tens place and I'm choosing hundreds place and thousands place and 10,000 place. I'm using and in between them. So how much is that equals to? Once again, my dear students, this is 6 4 is 24 into 5, that is 120. So what we will write? That is equal to 120. So total number of numbers being formed, total numbers of numbers being formed using these digits are how many? 120 plus 120 plus 36. That is, you can say 276. How many? 276. So that is the final answer. So you will write therefore, the total number, this is the final answer. Therefore, the total number of numbers formed, total number of numbers formed using given digits and exceeding 400 are, what are you going to do? You will add them because between them you had or. So it is 36 plus 120 plus 120 plus 120, that is equal to 276. This is the final answer. I hope you followed it. Please do it. Students, having done the question number 11, we are going for question number 12. This question is going to be similar to what you solved. Let's see. Okay. So I will explain you the procedure for this question, and then you will all try solving this question on your own. Okay. Give a pause. You will pause the video and then solve this question once again. Let's see. What does the question say? It says that how many numbers formed with the digits how many numbers formed with the digits? Which digits are you using to form the numbers? The digits are 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay, how many numbers formed from the given digits 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8 will fall between the number falls between 13 and 1000 if the digits can be repeated. They are saying the repetition of digit is allowed. The repetition of digit is allowed. Okay. So see students, how do we proceed with the solution? See, first of all, what are the given digits? The given digits are 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. You have to use these digits. And what kind of numbers are you supposed to be forming? You have to form numbers which are falling in between 13 and 1000. Okay, now see 13 and 1000, how will you proceed? So 13 to 99, I'm sorry, between 13 and 1000. So 14 onwards, you can go ahead. So see 14 to 99, these are going to be two-digit numbers. You got that? Two-digit numbers. These are two-digit numbers. You will have 14 to 99. Then 100 to 999 between 1000, right? 13 and 1000. So 13 you left and 1000 you will leave. So this is three digits numbers. Now see students, when it comes to two-digit number, that is 4. So there are two cases you are going to have. One case, two-digit numbers, which will be 14 onwards till 99. And the another is three-digit number, which will be 100 to 999. Now remember students that the two-digit number you have, it is slightly, you will have to be careful. Why? Because see, a two-digit number, please understand, a two-digit number will be this way. It will have the units place and tens place, right? Now, this is units place. So you have two cases. I'm going for the first case. What is the first case? A two-digit number. So I write here case one, or two-digit number, or two-digit numbers, two-digit numbers, right? This is case one. And here you have tens place. Now see students, you have to use the digits from here. Okay. So, and it has to be greater than 13. So what do you understand? See, where will be the condition? The condition is here, You cannot have 0 here for sure, because if you have 0, then it is not a two-digit number. See, if I write 08, is it a two-digit number? No, it is just because see, this 0 has no significance. It is non-significant. So it is just 8. So what do you have? You have here, tens place can't be 0, tens place can't be 1. I'm sorry, tens place can be 1. Okay. Tens place can be 1. But remember, if tens place is 1, then you cannot have 2 at the units place, because if it is 1 and here you have 2, so it is it is 12, and you want more than 13. Okay, so now I understand that even in two-digit number there will be one more case. Okay, so here I write, see, I will write two-digit number with one more case I have. So here I write two-digit numbers with 1 at tens place. Two-digit numbers with 1 at tens place. You see this? This is case 1 and see this is tens place. And then I will have two-digit number. See, case 2 will be case 2 I will write two-digit number, okay, with two-digit number greater than or equal to 20. You understand? Two-digit number greater than or equal to 20. So see students, now let me write the answer. That is, greater than or equal to 20. Why I said? Because then first case is what? 1 at the tens place. And second case is what? 1 is not at tens place. So if 1 is not at tens place, then other can be at tens place, and then definitely it will be greater than 20 or equal to 20, because see, then you will have start with 20 and so on. So here what I write C. Now here, see, the tens place can be filled in one way, just one way. Why? Because you have 1 at the tens place. So here I'll write tens place is selected in one way, in one way, in one way. What about units place? See, units place is selected in, it cannot be 0, because see, if you have 1 here and 0 here, it is 10. You want greater than 13. You want more than 13, right? So you cannot have, see, when the tens place is 1, it cannot be 0. It cannot be 0. You understand? It cannot be, repetition is, digits can be repeated, so but then still it can't be 1. It can't be 1. Yes. And it can't be 2 also, then it will be 12. Yes, it can be 5, 7 or 8. You got that? So here I write, the units place, this is quite interesting question. I'll write here, the units place is selected in 3 ways, from 5 or 7 or 8, from 5 or 7 or 8. Okay? Yes. So therefore numbers of two-digit number with 1 at sorry, 1 at tens place is, see, one way into three way, that is 3. That is equal to is 3. So you got 3 here. But that now you have two-digit numbers, but it is greater than 20, greater than or equal to 20. So you have, see, what do you have now? See, so this is units place. This is units place. And here you have tens place. So what do you say? See, in how many ways can the tens place be filled? The tens place, you can't have 0, you can't have 1. It can be 2, 5, 7, or 8, right? So you will write that tens place, yes, you will write here, tens place can be selected, in in 4 ways, 4 different ways from the digits 2, 5, 7, or 8. 4 ways. Then, my dear students, after this, what you have? After tens place, you have units place. Now, see, units place can be selected. Units place can be selected in. See here, students, the tens place you selected in 4 different ways. Okay, and the repetition is allowed. So whatever you are selecting at tens place, you can still have the same digit here. Okay, so the way of doing this work is tens, is 4 ways. But remember, now for units place you don't have to reduce. So units place can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ways you can do the next work. That is, you can fill the units place. Can be selected in 6 different ways. Why 6? Why 6? It is because you can have 0 there, you can have 1 there. No worries, no worries. See, if you have 0 there and 2 here, so it is 20. 20 is greater than 30. You got that? If you have 3 here and 3 here, 33, repetition is allowed. I'm sorry, 3 was not there. I'm sorry, students. Say you have 5 here and 5 here, 55. 55, repetition is allowed. And 55 is also greater than 13. So you need not worry about that. So 6 ways. So what I will write, therefore, the number of, numbers of two-digit, two-digit number with number number greater than or equal to 20 are how many? See, 4 into 6, that is equal to 24. That is 24, my dear student. 24. Got that? So you will see, you have to add 3 to 24, so 27. Now you have case 3. What will be case 3? The 3-digit numbers. The case 3 is, now we are going to have case 3, and case 3 is 3-digit numbers. Okay? And that is going to be very easy. I'll write with some other color. Here, I write case 3. Case 3 is of 3-digit numbers. I write here 3-digit, 3-digit numbers. So, see here, students, how do I do it? 3-digit numbers. How do I do it? So, how is a 3-digit number? See, in a 3-digit number, my dear students, you have the units place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. You got that? Yes. Now what? See, here you will write the units place can be filled in. Okay. Is there any condition? Yes. For hundreds place, there is a condition. What? See, students, you cannot have 0 here. You cannot have 0 here, because if it is 0, you write 0 here. What will happen? The number, say you write 0 and then 1, 2. It is not a 3-digit number. So since there is a condition here, you will start working on this first. Okay, the highest priority is given. So I write here, okay, the hundreds place can be selected, it can be selected in, see, 1, 2, 5, 7, and 8. 5 different ways, in 5 ways. Okay. After we will have the tens place. The tens place can be selected. It can be selected in how many ways? Tell me, students, can be selected in. See, you can select the hundreds place in 5 ways, but then a particular number that you selected, say I selected 5 here. I selected 5 at the hundreds place. So can I have 5 once again at the tens place? Definitely yes. Why? Because the repetition of digit is allowed. They are saying the digits can be repeated. So for this, you now have 6 different digits. See, 0 can be here. Yes. The 0 can occur at tens place. Like you get a number 507. So 507 is a valid number. See, 0 can be at the tens place. 0 cannot be at the hundreds place. Yes, you're right. So what do I write? The tens place can be selected. The tens place can be selected in 6 ways. Okay, the units place can also be selected in 6 ways. So my dear students, tell me now, how many different ways you have? See, 5 ways, 6 ways, and 6 ways. So therefore, total number of, therefore, the number of 3-digit numbers, the number of 3-digit numbers formed is equal to, is 5 into 6 into 6, that is 5 into 6 into 6, that is 180. 180. What are you going to do now? See, students, you're going to add them all. This 180 you will add with 24, you will add with 3. So how much is that? You can check. 180 plus 24 is 204 plus 3, 207. So you'll write therefore. Now I write the final answer. What do I write? I write the final answer. So I change the background here. And in this background, I'm going to write the final answer. So see, the final answer is therefore the total number of numbers formed using given digits and between 13 and 1000 are how much? 180 plus 24 plus this, that is 180 plus 24 plus 3, that is equal to 207. This is final answer. So students, how are you going to copy this? Remember, first you will copy this, then you will copy this, okay, and finally you will copy case 3. You have to go case 5. Okay, please copy this. You can copy this.